Good morning, students. In previous class, we discussed about the trigonometric functions at x in terms of the value at x by 2. Okay, and we discussed some formula based on them. Like it, if tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Okay, when we replace x by x by 2, then what we get? Tan x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 minus tan square x by 2. This is the basic concept of trigonometric function at x in terms of its value at x by 2. Okay, now let's see all the formula for now. Let's see all the formula based on them. Let's see. We discussed the formula sin 2x as 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, we discussed that formula na. Suppose now if we replace x by x by 2, then what we get? The formula you get sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Okay, same as we know that the formula cos 2x is what? Cos square x. Okay, minus sin square x. So we get, if we replace x by x by 2, then we get cos x is equal to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Okay, and we also know that the formula of cos 2x is what? 2 cos square x minus 1. This is the another formula of cos 2x, which is 2 cos square x by 1. So again we replace x by x by 2, then what we get? We get cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Okay, same here, same. We also know that cos 2x is equal to what? 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay, then the value of cos x is 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. So this is the basic concept of that formula. Okay, now we also know that tan 2x is equal to what? 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. We know that this formula na. Okay, now if we replace x by 2, then what we get? Tan x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan square x by 2. Okay, this is the basic concept of this formula. Okay, now dear students, we solve some questions of your NCERT exercise based on these identities. Okay, let's see. Let's see the identities. Suppose we have to show that, prove that sin 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x is equal to tan x. This is the question. Here we have to show that sin 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x is equal to tan x. Okay, now let's see. Take, first of all, we take LHS. We take LHS as what? Sin 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x. Okay, now we put the formula of sin 2x and cos 2x respectively, and since we know that the formula for sin 2x is what? 2 sin x into cos x, and the formula for cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. So here we use this formula in this question. Okay, let's see. Sin 2x is what? 2 sin x into cos x upon 1 plus the formula for cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. So 1 cancel to each other. We get 2 sin x into cos x upon 2 cos square x. 2 cancel out. Cos x and 1 cos x is cancelled to each other. So we get what? Sin x upon cos x. And the formula for sin x upon cos x is what? Tan x. This is our result, that is RHS. Okay. So dear students, you can solve all the questions of NC or NCERT exercise based on these formula in this way. Okay. Now we take some important question of your NCERT exercise based on these identities. Let's see. Prove that prove that 1 plus sin x minus cos x upon 1 plus sin x minus cos x upon 1 plus sin x plus cos x is equal to, we have to show that tan x by 2. This is your question here. We have to show that 1 plus sin x minus cos x upon 1 plus sin x plus cos x is equal to tan x by 2. This is your question here. Okay, now let's see, we take LHS. Let's solve it. First we take left hand side, and in this question we take 1 minus cos x separate, take together, same as in denominator we take 1 plus cos x take together. Let's see. Here this question we write in this way also, sin x plus 1 minus cos x. Same work in denominator, we write sin x plus 1 plus cos x. Okay, and we know that the formula for cos 2x, let's see, since we know that cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1 as well as 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. We know both the formula for cos 2x, cos x in term of x by 2. Okay, and let's see here 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x. So let's see the formula. If we take this formula, 1 minus 2 sin square x is transfer that side, then 1 minus cos x is equal to what? I get 2 sin square x by 2. Same thing is here. If we 1 transfer that side, then we get 1 plus cos x is equal to what? 2 cos square x by 2. Okay, so dear students, we know that 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2, and 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. So here we put that formula, and also we know that sin x is equal to what? 2 sin x by 2. Yes, since we also know that sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. So in that questions we put all the values of in this question. Let's see, we put sin x is equal to what? 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Okay, plus here if we 1 minus cos x, we write 2 sin square x by 2. So here we put 2 sin square x by 2 upon same work in we do in denominator, sin x replaced by 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus 1 plus cos x we put as 2 cos square x by 2. Okay, now let's see what is the common both the term in numerator as well as in denominator. Here let's see, In numerator we take 2 sin x by 2 as common. Okay, 2 sin x by 2 we take as common, then what I get? Cos x by 2 plus 1 sin x by 2 is left now in that part, sin x by 2, because here is square 2 times now. Yes, upon in denominator 2 cos x by 2 is common, 2 cos x by 2 is common, then what I get? Sin x by 2, okay, plus cos x by 2. Now let's see, here 2 and 2 is cancelled to each other, and cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, cos x plus 2 plus sin x by 2, that part also cancel to each other, then what I get? Sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2, and we know that sin upon cos is what? Tan x. Yes, that is tan x by 2. This is our result, that is RHS, hence proved. Okay, now dear students, we can solve all the questions of NCERT exercise based on that this formula in this way. Okay, let's see once more time. Your question is 1 plus sin x minus cos x upon 1 plus sin x plus cos x. Okay, first of all we take 1 minus cos x, take together. Similarly in denominator we take 1 plus cos x together. Now we know that the formula for cos 2x, that is 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1, as well as 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Okay, now let's see, from this formula we can get 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2, and 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Okay, and also we know that the formula for sin x in terms of its value at an angle x by 2, which is sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Okay, now in this question we put all the values of cos 1 plus 1 minus cos x, 1 plus cos x, and sin x. Okay, so we put all the value in this question. Now we observe that in both the numerator and denominator there are some common value. In numerator we take 2 sin x by 2 as common, then what I get? Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 is left. Same work done in denominator, that is from denominator we take 2 cos x by 2 as common. Okay, now we get sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2. Now we observe that 2 cancel to each other, and cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 in both the numerator and denominator, so this value cancel to each other. Now we get sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2. Here angle will be same, angle is same, so we know that by the identity sin x upon cos x is what? Tan x. So here angle is x by 2, so sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 is what? Tan x by 2. Hence we get our result. So dear students, first you learn all the formula for each function, and then after you solve you can solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise. Now we take some other questions based on these identities. Okay, let's see. Now we take some other question. Let's see. Prove that this is very important question. This is important, very important question for you. Okay. Prove that cos x upon 1 plus sin x is equal to 10 pi by 4 minus 10 pi by 4 minus x by 2. This is one of the most important question of this chapter. Okay, we have to show that cos x upon 1 plus sin x is equal to 10 pi by 4 minus x by 2. This is the question now. Yes, Now, right, let's see. First of all, we take left hand side. Okay, now let's solve it. We take left hand side, which is what? Cos x upon 1 plus sin x. Cos x upon 1 plus sin x. Okay, now let's see. We change cos x in term of sin x by this formula sin pi by 2 minus x, because of we know that sin 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta. So we replace cos x as sin pi by 2 minus x. Okay, because of your proof is pi by 4 minus x by 2 in terms of tan. Okay, so same work done in the denominator. We write sin x as cos pi by 2 minus x. Okay, because of we know that since sin pi by 2 minus theta as cos theta and cos pi by 2 minus theta is what? Sin theta. These are the formula. Okay, now let's see what I do. Now suppose that part, that is pi by 2 minus x, take as x or theta. Okay, and we know that in sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 na. Okay, and we know that also 1 plus cos x is equal to what? 2 cos square x by 2. We know both the identities which is discussed in previous question. Now let's see. This is sin x. Okay, and we know that the formula for sin x is equal to what? 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Here this is take as x. So what I do? What I get? Let's see. 2 sin x by 2, that is, this is x, yeah, x by 2. Take x by 2, 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, that is x by 2. Now clear? Okay. In denominator, let's see. 1 plus cos x is what? 2 cos square x by 2 na. So here we write 2 cos square x by 2. X is means what? Pi by 2 minus x by 2. Now we just simplify that question. Let's see. Here 2 and 2 is cancelled to each other, and what I get? Sin pi by 4 minus x by 2 into here cos pi by 4 minus x by 2 na. Same as in denominator, we get cos square pi by 4, 2 to the 4 minus x by 2. Now let's see. Here cos pi by 4 minus x by 2, 1 cos pi by 4 minus x by 2 cancel to each other. Then what I get? What is left part? That is sin pi by 4 minus x by 2 upon cos pi by 4 minus x by 2. And we know that by the trigonometric identity is sin x upon cos x is what? Tan x. And here let's see, here theta will be same, theta is same, that is pi by 4 minus x by 2. So sin upon cos is what? Tan. So we can write tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Hence proof. That is your RHS. This is your right hand side. Okay. So dear students, you can prove that type of questions in this way. Okay. First you practice all the formula of that chapter. After that you can solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise. Okay. Yes. Now we take some other questions based on same identities. Let's see. Now let's see some other question. Let's see. We have to show that, prove that 1 plus sine 2x plus cos 2x upon 1 plus sine 2x minus cos 2x is equal to cot x. This is your question here. Okay, 1 plus sine 2x plus cos 2x upon 1 plus sine 2x minus cos 2x is equal to cot x. Okay, let's solve it. First of all, we take LHS as what? 1 plus sine 2x plus cos 2x upon 1 plus 2x minus cos 2x. That is 1 plus sine 2x minus cos 2x. Okay, now let's see. We take 1 plus cos 2x together, and here we write sine 2x as it is. Same work done in the denominator. We take 1 minus cos 2x together, and we write sine 2x as it is. Okay, now we know that 1 plus cos 2x is what? 2 cos square x. 2 cos square x, so we put here 2 cos square x here. Okay, plus sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. Here we write 2 sin square x, and here we write 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, now from denominator we take 2 cos x as common. 2 cos x as common, then what I get? Cos x plus sin x. Okay, and in denominator we take 2 sin x as common, then what I get? Sin x plus cos x. Okay, now let's see. Here 2 and 2 cancel to each other, and that part also cancel to each other. That is what I get, cos x upon sin x, which is cot x, and cos upon sin, which is cot x. This is your RHS, hence proof, our result. Okay, so dear students, this is the very important question, and please use the all the formula. Please use all the formula carefully. Okay, first we take 1 plus cos 2x and 1 minus cos 2x together, and we write sin 2x as it is. Now we apply the formula for each function. We know that 1 plus cos x, here we know that 1 plus cos 2x is what? 2 cos square x, yes, 2 cos square x, and 1 minus cos 2x is what? 2 sin square x. And also we know that sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, so dear student, first of all you learn all the formula carefully of the trigonometry functions. After that you solve all your examples of your NCERT exercise, and do more and more practices on each and every questions. Then after you can solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise. Okay, so first you learn and memorize all the formula for trigonometry functions. Okay, let's see once more time here. that is 1 plus cos sine 2x, and take together 1 plus cos 2x, and in denominator of 1 minus cos 2x we apply all the formula, and hence we get our result. Okay, now let's see. Now we discuss all the formula of that chapter once more time. Okay, so first you learn all your formula, then after you can solve you complete all the questions of your NCERT exercise. Okay, today we discuss the formula, that is sin 2x 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, same sin x, here we get what, 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Okay, second we use the formula cos 2x, that is 2 cos square x minus 2 or 1 minus 2 sin square x. Same, if we write cos x, then what I get, 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Okay, and we know that the formula tan 2x is what, 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x na. So if we replace x by 2, then what I get, tan x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan square x by 2. Same work, we know that sin 2x in terms of tan, what is the formula of that, 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. Okay, if we replace 2x as x by 2, then we get sin x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. Okay, and one important formula is also here, cos 2x is equal to 1 minus tan square x upon 1 minus 1 plus tan square x. If we take cos x, then I get 1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. Okay, so dear students, first you learn each and every formula which is discussed today on which we solve some questions of here. After that you complete your NCERT exercise. Okay, so dear students, in next class we solve some other questions based on same identity. Okay, thank you. Let's see, one important thing is here, and let's see a question. Let's see another question, root 2 plus in this class we discuss some other one more topic. Let's see. Suppose we know that sin 2x is cos 2x is what, 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Sorry, 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay, if we replace x by 2, then what I get, we get cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Okay, suppose we write cos 4x, then what is the formula of for cos 4x? If we replace, let's see, if angle 2x, then here x here na, then if here cos 4x, then we write 2 cos square 2x minus 1. We write cos 4x as 2 2 cos square 2x minus 1. Here we replace x by 2x. Here we replace x by 2x. Same as in the formula sin 2x. The formula for sin 2x is what? 2 sin x into cos x, na? The formula for sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Okay. Here we also, if we replace x by 2x, suppose if we replace x by 2x, then what I get? Let's see. Sin 4x. Okay, sin 4x is equal to what? 2 sin x, 2 is 2 sin 2x into cos 2x. So dear students, you can find all the trigonometric formula in this way. Okay. Yes, suppose if we write sin 6x, then you replace x by 3. You can replace x by 3, then what you get? Let's see. Sin 6x, na, 2 3 is 6 is equal to 2 sin 3x into cos 3x. Okay, so dear students, you can find all the formula based on this concept. Okay, this is very important topic. In next class we solve some questions based on same concept. Okay, so first you complete your NCERT exercise. In next class we solve some important questions. Okay, thank you.